This week I have been testing the new Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid with my family, and these are our top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can fit 3 InfaSecure child seats across the second row of seats in the Hyundai Santa Fe. I have got 2 InfaSecure Achieve Mores and 1 InfaSecure Attain More rear facing. You can't fit 3 forward facing child seats across this second row of seats though. Legroom is good in here too. If you've got a rear facing child seat in the second row, you can fit a 180cm driver or passenger in the front. Number 2 is there are built-in window blinds in the back of the Hyundai Santa Fe, which is fantastic for shielding rear passengers from the sun while you're driving along. Number 3 is you can drive the Santa Fe in and out of a parking space just using the key fob here, which is fantastic. If you're parked in a tight spot, you don't need to worry about the kids opening the doors into the cars next to them. It's also great for driving it in and out of your garage at home. We have loved driving the Santa Fe Hybrid with our family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.